Shan's type?
She not tell me she want boyfriend, but find her a boyfriend anyways.
I don't know Shan's type.
What?
I don't know her type.
I mean, I talk to her, find out why. Yeah.
Secretive.
That boring. So we're waiting on the burger.
Santi having at Burger King again.
Yeah, we're trying to get fat. We're too skinny around here.
Yeah.
We're trying to get in some weight. That's the goal this Christmas.
BBW.
At least Dirk will find me.
Right?
Yeah.
So we're at Burger King.
I'm gonna need him to find me, by the way. Yeah.
Yeah, because, you know, Money Man 2020, that's the goal.
Oh, definitely.
You know, just a regular day on a Saturday. So we're not going to Masicka tonight, guys.
Oh, we're not going?
Are we going?
Oh yeah,
She
Jennasyde decided to sell me out, so
I didn't tell her out. She didn't want to go nowhere. So due to circumstances,
yeah, beyond my control, I won't be going because of Gennasyde.
Because of herself. So we'll be going out next weekend. We'll see though, but we'll be going out next weekend. I'll probably find someone else to go tonight.
Yeah, should have go. Me like my bed.
No, I haven't been out since I've been home.
Me like my bed. I've been out since Heroes Weekend, by the way.
Wow, 3 months
And
ago.
before that was my birthday in April. So,
You were not on my birthday.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go for your birthday in June. That's true. Damn, yeah. So we're only going from birthday.
Nerd.
Yeah.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. Back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody's home next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess you didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is staring, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Baby, it's gon' phone, I'm just sitting. Wrong. I'm playing games and it's loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switching lanes in the thing. So fly, baby, no propane. Got good, girl, can I be framed? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you a word, baby, when you get space, then gang, give me lay, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
Slay by Santi, located at 1A Drewsland Road. Okay. Monday to Saturday, except on Wednesdays and Sundays. Okay. Get the good things down. For all you on YouTube, follow her on Instagram at Slay by Santi. It'll be in the description box below. Whoa. So right now we're at Taboo, guys. I don't think we're getting there, look.
No, man.
Sorry.
I want some Masicka. Are you see the time on me?
Alright, and we're just still trying to go in. I don't think they're taking people inside no more.
You're running with that pink Carrie?
Thank you, thank you.
Are you at the color that?
Huh?
To the color that?
No, it's the one I've been had.
Oh.
Yeah.
And
Because the color's fading at the top.
And then just get and pop the building. Drop up.
Oh.
She's cute.
Thank you.
You're cute too.
Thanks.
You guys trying to go in the club? It doesn't make sense.
Well, I realize that now.
They didn't really make that sense.
And it's crowded.
They can't pass the door.
Everybody outside.
Yeah, I just don't mind going in there and getting sweaty and all that. You know what? So that can be able to land.
Night over still.
What's about one vlog?
Yeah.
You guys are vloggers?
Yeah.
Got a YouTube page?
Yeah.
What's the YouTube page?
The Newmansisters. Oh God.
No joke. What's your name again?
The Newmansisters.
Newman.
Yeah, N-E-W.
Sisters.
M-A-N.
Girl, let's go in the sofa.
Huh? And there's full.
So them not letting nobody else?
They are letting people in, but I'm saying there's full. So you ready to go inside?
We come back anyway. Still going.
I don't know. Looks like everybody's up here. Shelly
So
Billy.
you guys were here last year?
Yeah. How you see that? Oh.
You see she? I saw she staying. I saw she stay. You see she put on her face and everything and left over there. She said she want to go home. She want to go home. I'm not run them go home, Joe. What's your name?
Alright.
So the girl them come at taboo these days or something. So long when I come taboo.
Yeah, that told you taboo's not dressy. People just come to taboo because
Miss,
taboo.
when Miss come taboo at heels and put.
That's when taboo just started. That's when taboo just started. Yeah. Told you it's not a big
Them ear
deal.
not even flat iron.
Told you it's not a big deal. Ponytail,
Yeah, but ponytail
jeans,
sucks
like
so
it's
much,
a, like it's a.
She's such a pain on the side.
She's gonna shop.
I must blood crush up sugar. No sir.
Come out the way.
Them actually a sweat for real.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So where you go? Where you go? Where you go?
What's the party?
Let me call.
Oh, my friend has one party keep up a Barbican on Instagram famous boy. But me don't know the boy. I should call her and ask her.
Call her then. Before your phone dies.
What party I keep? Ants-Man?
I don't know where me are.
Ants-Man party? Country that the same about the success then come taboo after.
Santi's mad upset.
Talk truth.
Right?
That was my truth.
Outside of taboo. Bitch square up. Is Mario's party still going on? Okay, I'm coming there right now. Bye, come. We're going to Drewsland.
Where is he? You're gonna make statement that Drewsland here?
Right now we're in Drewsland. Now we're Masicka flopped us.
Right.
First of all, not Masicka, Taboo flopped us because Taboo's so damn congested. Like you guys been doing, you guys had Taboo for how much years now?
The next one I keep keep on the mobile.
They should have kept it in the parking lot.
Oh, what bitch? What? What? You were not editing. Let's go.
She told me not to edit it, so I'm not editing it. Come, let's go.
No. If you
McDonald's?
No, not McDonald's. I'm just craving McDonald's right now.
Yo, that's the worst when you're drunk.
I'm craving McDonald's.
Come here.
Hold on, let me see this guy. Oh my god, let me see.
Yo, I don't know how you go down and wear his heels.
I'm tired of these artists, like we just want to hear gun money.
Go tell them.
I'm tired of this.
Where's Mario? Tell him.
Mario is on enough. Drink responsibly.
See this? The #1 girl is
Money.
Gets it from her father. Okay? White liver.
You know what I mean?
White liver.
But we grab to what they look to a billion. Interest in your group on the key. Never put the village in a trillion. We are talk things like this. Come put me a cold like good faith. If you're not talk money, me not. She said, no, don't make it on so much girl won't give no pleasure. But so much need, but think it for nothing. Sing, girl, are you me? You me?
Where's your alcohol? You need more in your cup. More in your cup. Bombay! Money and pussy all matter. Love son, I go win a lot of. Money and Japanese girl, get the back up. I got the body good, arigato.
Yeah, you look good. Come. I make my vlogs before.
You know what? I have like 5 vlogs I'm supposed to post. 5? I haven't posted that because the bitch been lazy.
Drunk card. Drunk. That's my name.
Yeah, but I never want to put that thing that the man took going on. Always sitting there. You understand? Inspector Gash. You know what
Can't go on my head. I never ever been able to go on my head.
I can go on my head, but I'm just scared of falling and breaking my neck after I've seen a certain video.
I can't do it.
Ask anyone.
Go on your head. Feel like.
Right? I am nice and everything's alright. Jolisa and Jolisa. The fuck? Lisa! She's drunk. This is Pooh right here, you know, and he's driving the rental. We're getting on Thursday for my birthday because we're gonna fuck. You coming? We're gonna on Thursday. We're gonna Reggae Falls.
We're going to Reggae Falls there?
Yes, because then after on my birthday, on the 20th, we're doing something in the night. I don't know what the fuck yet. Then after the 21st, we're going to the breakfast.
I know we're going to breakfast
Then
and we're going to pop on.
Yes!
Listen, you're at like a 20, bring it down to a 6.
No. I bought my liquor and I'm drunk. I don't give a fuck. I bought my liquor, don't it?
Yeah, cash in my sister. Oh, yeah. So where the gas station?
Are you taking Sherman home? You taking Sherman home?
Sherman's too dear for my pocket, yeah?
Just $5.
To you.
No, to YouTube from Drewsland to GU's $5. Actually, how much you charge from here to Dwayne Park? Oh, no. At least want me to ask him?
Yeah, ask him. No. If your foot not dirty, my foot's not dirty. Because I drag my feet. Oh my god, I have to pee-pee. I got a pee-pee. What? My camera's dying. My camera's dying, so sign off. Say, tell everybody bye. Bye, peace out. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, welcome to the Melanin Empress vlog.
Bye, guys.
Wait,
so, no, because it's ending. So, sign out. Dying.
Hey guys, subscribe, like, and comment on the Newmansister channel. You already know what it is. We're international. We're gonna be in, where are we going next year? Cuba.
Dubai.
We're gonna Dubai and Cuba soon. So you guys,
You're whispering.
you're whispering. Do I pay taxes on my mouth? No, I don't pay taxes on my motherfucking mouth. So I guess people don't want more. Are you subscribing and liking? Subscribe and like the Newmansister channel.
The man doesn't know what you're talking about. You see, you call him off
We're
guard.
making money. Give fuck. I don't give fuck.
Okay, bye guys. So